In this first eyes-opening Ring doorbell clip, a man, seemingly lost and desperate, rings the doorbell, claiming to be looking for his mother. However, as the homeowner steps in to correct the address, tensions escalate dramatically. As the intruder persists, and the homeowner is left with no choice but to issue a dire warning.
You have the wrong place.
I think I have the wrong place.
Yeah. I don't know your mom.
Mary.
No, I don't know that person. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I need to know where my mom is.
She's not in this not in this dwelling. Hey, no, stop! I will shoot!
What? I'm sorry.
No, I'm calling the police.
Why are you calling the
Because
police?
you tried to enter my residence.
No, I was trying to...
In this nighttime Ring doorbell clip, two individuals are caught on camera entering the porch under the cover of darkness, but their intentions become all the more perplexing as they make off with a simple chair cushion. In this perplexing nocturnal Ring doorbell scene, a bewildered woman, shrouded in mystery, stands before a stranger's front door in the dead of night, pressing the doorbell in desperation. As the homeowner bravely steps forward, seeking answers, the woman's cryptic response leaves us with more questions than answers. Will her plea lead to an unexpected twist in this enigmatic tale?
Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of stranded right now, and I can't get back to my house. My house is on Spring Street right now, and I don't even know how to get back to it.
I can't help you, I'm sorry.
Is there any way that you can help?
Nope, can't help you. Thanks, bye.
In this particular Ring doorbell clip, a man approaches a front door, presses the doorbell, and stands there, waiting in eager anticipation. However, as moments tick by without a response, the tension in the air mounts. The homeowner, growing increasingly impatient, is left with no choice but to intervene and deliver a stern message.
Get out of here! Get off my porch!
In this remarkable Ring doorbell scene, a man approaches a stranger's front door, pressing the doorbell with a hidden treasure in his pocket. As the homeowner appears, he unveils a wallet and explains that he found it and, with a heart full of kindness, chose to return it to its rightful owner. What transpires next is a testament to the goodness within us all, as joy and gratitude fill the air, culminating in a heartwarming embrace.
Does Casey live here? Okay. Here, I just got out of Walmart and I found this in the parking lot.
Oh my
so
God.
I did pull out his ID because I didn't know who it belonged to. So
You're good, man.
I didn't take anything from it, by the way.
I appreciate that. So
If you get, I messaged him on Messenger, but I didn't get a response. I was like, oh, just, you guys take care.
In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage, two passers-by stop to read the sign, but as one of them succumbs to a destructive urge, the other man joins in to vandalize it. Moments later, they both leave, leaving behind a scene of unexpected mischief. In this spine-tingling Ring doorbell footage, a man, cloaked in darkness, approaches a front door with ill intentions, attempting to break in. With a collection of spare keys in hand, he furtively tests each one, desperately seeking entry. However, as tension mounts, the property owner springs into action, unleashing a thunderous barrage of bangs on the door. Watch as the intruder's sinister plans unravel, ultimately forcing him to retreat into the shadows.
Whoa! What the fuck is wrong with you? Fuck. Want this or not?
In this brief yet intriguing Ring doorbell clip, we capture the actions of a mysterious man who approaches a stranger's porch. He knocks on the door with purpose, but without a moment's hesitation, he departs from the residence just as quickly as he arrived. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage, a woman, seemingly distressed, approaches a stranger's front door, urgently knocking and ringing the doorbell, pleading with the homeowner to call the police. With each unanswered call, her anxiety grows, and she persists, even resorting to peering inside with a bewildered expression.
Do you mind calling the cops since I won't leave your yard? Last time you called the cops, I saw a fire in the back and it sounded like a woman got hit twice. Probably the one you blocked from the door. I hear please, please, don't hurt me. Just letting you know that. She is crying. Letting you know, you can pretend that you're calling the cops, but she was alive a minute ago. She should stay alive. Also, I see your husband in that shit, so make sure the girl's alive.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, we find ourselves in a situation where two individuals are caught red-handed in the act. As they brazenly attempt to steal a package meant for someone else from the front door, their plans unravel quickly. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell scene, we witness the actions of a determined woman who presses the doorbell, patiently waiting before resorting to more desperate measures. As her anxiety mounts, she begins pounding on the window, desperately seeking the homeowner's attention. But when no response is forthcoming, her actions take a concerning turn as she tries to force her way into the house.
You know you're home. Let me in. Doing the shit out of you. What?
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.